In the last lecture we see the square root of the complex number and the solution of the quadratic equation. That is, the roots of the quadratic equation are the complex number and that are the complex conjugate of the each other. In this lecture we see the remaining examples of the solution of the quadratic equation in exercise 1.2. Solve the following quadratic equation: x square plus 3ix plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. Here we solve this quadratic equation. In the last we know that the formula for the solution of the quadratic equation, if quadratic equation it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore solution of this quadratic equation it is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, it is the formula. Therefore it is a given equation. X square plus 3ix and plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus b, it is b, it is a 3i, plus or minus under root b square 3i square, it is a b square, okay, and minus 4ac minus 4a and c upon 2 into a. Now calculate. Minus 3i plus or minus under root 9i square minus 40. 9i square and it is minus 40 upon 2. Then it is minus 3i plus or minus under root, it is minus 9 minus 40 upon 2, because I square is equal to minus 1, it is minus 9, and then it is minus 3i plus or minus under root minus 49 upon 2, and therefore it is minus 3i plus or minus under root, it is 49 into I upon 2, and it is under root 49 means 7, therefore it is minus 3i plus or minus 7i upon 2, and therefore x is equal to minus 3i plus 7i upon 2, or x is equal to minus 3i minus 7i upon 2, and therefore the values of x is equal to minus 3i plus 7i, it is 4i, that means 2i, or x is equal to, it is minus 10, that is minus 5i, are the roots of this quadratic equation. X is equal to 2i and x is equal to minus 5i. Okay, solution same, फक्त इथं कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आणि कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर मध्ये आय स्क्वेअर आलं की -1, बाकी मग प्रॉब्लेम पूर्ण ॲज इट इज जसे तुम्ही 10वीला करत होते त्या पद्धतीचेच प्रॉब्लेम येते. ओके, फक्त क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन फॅक्टर नाही पडत म्हणून फॉर्म्युला आणि फॉर्म्युला करून फक्त कॅल्क्युलेशन केलेले, आणि अंडर रूट मध्ये मायनस आलं तर दॅट इज द इमॅजिनरी नंबर and it is means 7i and then calculate. Okay, problem same as it is जसाला तसे. Okay, now second example. टू एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस 3xi plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, same example. Given equation 2x square plus 3ix plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square 3i square minus 4ac upon 2a, that is 2 into 2. Then minus 3i plus or minus under root, it is 9i square and minus, it is 4 into 4, it is 16 upon 4. Therefore, minus 3i plus or minus under root, it is minus 9 minus 16 upon 4. Okay, and then it is here I square is equal to minus 1. Now, minus 3i plus or minus under root minus 25 upon 4. Then minus 3i plus or minus 25, it is minus 25, that is 5i, square root of this number, it is 5i directly लिहिलं. Minus 25 into I, म्हणजेच under root minus 25, it is under root 25 into I, and then under root 25 it is 5, that is 5i upon 4. And therefore, x is equal to minus 3i plus 5i upon 4, or x is equal to minus 3i minus 5i upon 4. Okay. Now, therefore, x is equal to minus 3i plus 5i, it is 2i. 2i means 1 by 2i. It is numerator मध्ये 2i and upon 4 it is 1 by 2i. Or x is equal to, it is 8, that is minus 2i. Okay. Here, this step directly can be written here. It is minus 3i plus or minus under root 25 into I upon 4. Okay. Therefore, solution is x is equal to 1 by 2i or x is equal to minus 2i. Now, next. Next example, x square minus 2 plus I x minus 1 minus 7 I is equal to 0. Now here, given equation, it is x square minus 2 plus I into x minus 1 minus 7i is equal to 0. Now we find the value of x. It is x is equal to minus b. Here b, it is a minus 2 plus I minus b. It is a, it is b, and it is c. Okay, here plus or minus under root b square, it is minus 2 plus I whole square minus 4 ac, 4 into a and into c, c again it is negative, minus 1 minus 7i. Okay. Upon 2a, 2 into 1. Okay, see carefully. Here the equation, it is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. In this example here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 plus I, and c is equal to minus 1 minus 7i. Okay. A, b, and it is c. Here minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. Now calculate it is minus minus plus, it is 2 plus I plus or minus under root. Here square, it is minus plus, it is 4 plus 4I plus I square, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, minus the plus होंगे. Now here it is a minus, this minus and this minus plus. Okay, and here 4 minus 28I, it is 4 minus 28, right? This minus it is plus upon 2. Okay, therefore it is 2 plus I plus or minus under root, it is 4 plus 4I plus I square, that is minus 1, plus 4 minus 28I upon 2, and therefore this x is equal to 2 plus I plus or minus under root. Now here 4 plus 4, 8, and it is minus 1, that is 7. 4 minus 28, it is minus 24 I upon 2. Now here it is 2 plus I, it is a complex number, plus or minus, it is again under root of complex number, that is the square root of complex number. In last lecture we see the square root of complex number. Now first find the square root of this number. Now here let square root 7 minus 24I is equal to a plus bi. Okay, here a and b are real numbers. Okay, now squaring on both sides, therefore we can write 7 minus 24I is equal to a plus bi whole square. Now expand, 7 minus 24I is equal to a square plus 2abi and plus b square I square, and therefore it is 7 minus 24I is equal to a square minus b square and plus 2abi. Again these two complex number. Then compare real and imaginary part. Real part it is a 7, and here real part is a square minus b square. Here imaginary part is minus 24, and here imaginary part is 2bi. Okay, now here therefore a square minus b square is equal to 7 and 2ab is equal to minus 24. 2ab, it is minus 24. Therefore a square minus b square is equal to 7. Find the value of a or b. Here it is b is equal to minus 12 upon a. B is equal to minus 12 upon b. Put b in this equation. Therefore we can write a square minus 12 by a whole square is equal to 7. Now calculate this. A square minus 144 upon a square is equal to 7 throughout multiplying by a square. Therefore we get it is a to the power 4 minus 144 is equal to 7a square. Okay, this gives a to the power 4 minus 7a square minus 144 is equal to 0. Now we solve this quadratic equation. It is multiplication minus 144 and addition minus 7. Again it is a 16 and 9. Therefore a square minus 16 and a square minus plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, this gives a square minus 16 equal to 0 or a square plus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, we can write a square is equal to 16 or a square is equal to minus 9, but a square is not equal to minus 9 because a is a real number. Therefore, a square is equal to 16 and therefore a is equal to plus or minus 4. Then if a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 12 by a, just minus 12 by 4, that is minus 3, and so it is or if a is equal to minus 4, b is equal to 3. Okay, a is equal to minus 4, then b is equal to 3, a is equal to 4, then b is equal to minus 3. Therefore, square root of complex number, it is 7 minus 24i is equal to plus or minus 4 minus 3i, plus or minus 4 minus 3i. One root is 4 minus 3i and minus 4 plus 3i are the square root of this number. Now it is a square root of this number, but we find the value of x, and therefore x is equal to 2 plus I plus or minus 4 minus 3i upon 2, and therefore x is equal to 2 plus I plus 4 minus 3i upon 2, or x is equal to 2 plus I minus 4 minus 3i upon 2. Therefore x is equal to, it is 6 minus 2, it is 6 minus 2i upon 2, that is 3 minus I, or x is equal to, it is minus 2 and it is plus 4i upon 2, that is minus 1 plus 2i are the roots of this quadratic equation, that is x is equal to 3 minus I and x is equal to minus 1 plus 2i. Okay, here आता याच्यात एकाच प्रॉब्लेम होती, प्रॉब्लेम थोडा मोठा आला, एकाच याच्यात दोन प्रॉब्लेम आले, एक तर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन अँड देन स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ द नंबर, स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ दिस नंबर, वी फाइंड द स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ दिस नंबर इन लाईक दॅट, इट इज द स्क्वेअर रूट. ओके, लास्ट एक्झाम्पल नुसार या नंबरचा स्क्वेअर रूट काढा. ओके, दॅट इज द स्क्वेअर रूट, हा झाला तुमचा स्क्वेअर रूट, आणि स्क्वेअर रूट नंतर या जागेवर ठेवून द्या, देन एकदा प्लस आणि एकदा मायनस, त्याच्यानुसार त्याचं कॅल्क्युलेशन एक्स इज इक्वल टू 3 मायनस आय अँड एकदा एक्स इज इक्वल टू minus 1 plus 2i. Okay, now next example go. Next example, x square minus 3 under root 2 plus 2i x plus 6 into under root 2 I is equal to 0. X square minus 3 under root 2 2i plus 6 root 2i. Now it is a quadratic equation, x square minus 3 under root 2 plus 2i into x plus 6 under root 2i is equal to 0. Now it is a, it is b and it is c. Therefore by using the formula x is equal to minus b, again b is a negative, therefore 3 under root 2 plus 2i plus or minus under root b square minus 3 under root 2 plus 2i whole square minus 4a, and it is c, 6 under root 2i upon 2a. Upon 2a, that is 2 into 1. Okay, here it is the only formula. Minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. Okay, now calculate. Minus minus plus 3 under root 2 plus 2i plus or minus under root. Here minus square के लिए नंतर plus, and then here it is expansion, again a plus b whole square, a square, that is 3 root 2 square, 3 it is 9 and it is 2, that is 18. Okay, then 2ab, that is multiplication and twice, that is 6 root 2i and twice, that is 12 root 2i and plus 4i square. Okay, it is the expansion of this a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, it is a square, 18, 9 into 2, 2ab, yeah, there is a multiplication, that is 6 root 2 and 6 root 2, so twice it is 12 root 2, it is 2i, it is 4i square, and here minus 4 into 6, it is 24 root 2i whole to the upon 2. Okay, now it is 3 under root 2 plus 2i plus or minus under root. Now here it is 18 plus 12 under root 2i minus 4, I square it is minus 1, minus 4, it is minus 24 root 2i whole to the upon, it is 2. Now 3 under root 2 plus 2i plus or minus under root, it is 18 minus 4, 18 minus 4 it is 14, 18 minus 4 it is 14, and here plus 12 minus 12 it is minus 12 under root 2i and whole to the upon 2. Okay. Now here, now find the square root of this number. Okay, here it is the value of x. Let square root of 14 minus 12 under root 2i is equal to a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers. Okay, here it is plus 12 and minus 24 minus 12, and it is 18 minus 4, 14. Okay, now again same method, it is the square root of this complex number, squaring on both sides, therefore we get 14 minus 12 under root 2i is equal to a square plus 2abi and plus b square I square, it is squaring on both sides, therefore 14 minus 12 under root 2i is equal to a square minus b square plus 2abi. Okay, now compare the real and imaginary part, therefore we can write 14, a square minus b square is equal to 14, a square minus b square is equal to 14, and 2ab is equal to minus 12 under root 2. 2ab is equal to minus 12 under root 2. Therefore, a square minus b square is equal to 14 and b is equal to minus 6 under root 2 upon a. It is minus 6 under root 2 upon a. It is the value of b. Now put a square minus 6 under root 2 upon a whole square is equal to 14. Okay, this can be written as here. Okay, therefore we can write a to the power 4 minus 36 into 2, that is 72a square, is equal to 14. Okay, then okay, solution. Therefore it is a square. Throughout multiplying by 4, a square. Therefore a to the power 4 minus 72 is equal to 14a square. Therefore a to the power 4 minus 14a square minus 72 is equal to 0. Okay, now it is a quadratic equation. Now we solve this quadratic equation. Multiplication is 72 and addition it is 14, that is 18 into 4, that is minus 18 and plus 4. Therefore we can write a square minus 18 and a square plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore a square minus 18 equal to 0 or a square plus 4 equal to 0. Then a square is equal to 18 or a square is equal to minus 4. But a square is not equal to minus 4. Therefore a square is equal to 18. And therefore a is equal to plus or minus under root 18, and under root 18 means plus or minus under root 18. It is 9 into 2, that is 3 under root 2. Here if a is equal to 3 under root 2, then b equal to minus 6 under root 2 upon plus 3 under root 2. That is under root 2 cancel, it is minus 2. Okay, and if a is equal to minus 3 under root 2, then b is equal to minus 6 plus under root 2 upon minus 3 under root 2, that is plus 2. Okay, then 3 under root 2 minus 2i and minus 3 under root 2 plus 2i, it is a square root, and therefore square root of 14 minus 12 under root 2i is equal to plus or minus 3 under root 2 minus 2i. 3 under root 2 minus 2i, it is a plus or minus. When plus, this 2, and when minus, this 2. Okay, it is a square root, and therefore the value of x is equal to 3 under root 2 plus 2i plus or minus 3 under root 2 minus 2i upon 2. Then here if it is a plus, when we take the plus value, okay, me directly ले लो, when we take a plus value, then it is 2i and it is 2i get cancelled. When we take plus, it is 2i get cancelled, only it is 3 root 2 and it is 3 root 2, that is 6 root 2 upon 2, that is 3 root 2. Or x is equal to, when it is a minus, then root 3 cancel, it is 4i upon 2, and that is 2. Next example. find the value of x cube minus x square plus x plus 46 if x is equal to 2 plus 3i. Here we find the value of this cubic equation. Okay. Therefore, given x is equal to 2 plus 3i. Okay. First we find the x cube. X cube is equal to 2 plus 3i whole cube. Then the expansion of 3i plus whole cube, a plus b whole cube, that is a cube. A plus b whole cube expansion, it is a cube plus 3a square b plus b, it is 3a b square and plus b cube. It is the expansion. Now here to expand this a and it is b, a cube, that is 8 plus 3 into a square, that is 4 into 3i plus 3 into 2, and it is 9i square, and plus 27i cube. Okay, here it is the expansion. A plus b whole cube, a cube, that is 2 cube, then 3 into 2 square into b plus 3 into 2 b square, that is 3i square, and that is 3i cube. Then it is 8 plus 3 into 4 12 into 3 36i. Then it is minus I square it is a minus 1, and then here 9 into 18 and 18 into 3, it is 54. And it is minus. Okay. Yeah, and plus it is 27 into I square into I. Okay, एक step इधर जास्ती चलिए तो यार it is plus 54 into minus 1, that is multiplication. Okay. 54 and it I square, it is minus 1. Now here again I cube, it is I square into I, and then it is calculation, it is 8 plus 36i minus 54, and here it is minus 27i, and therefore x cube is equal to here minus 48, and it is 36 minus, it is plus 9i. 36 minus 27, and it is 8 minus 54. 8 minus 54. Okay, so 8 minus 54, it is 46. Okay. Now it is x cube, and we find the x square. 2 plus 3i whole square, and that is, it is 2 square 4 plus multiplication and twice, it is 6 12i and plus 9i square, and then it is 4 plus 12i and minus 9, and therefore x square equal to it is minus 5 plus 12i. Now it is x square, it is x cube, it is x, and this is value. Now we find x cube minus x square plus x and plus 46 is equal to x cube minus 46 plus 9i minus x square minus 5 plus 12i plus x 2 plus 3i and plus 46, and then the value of this term is minus 46, and it is minus minus plus, okay, लिहितो minus 46 plus 9i plus 5 minus 12i plus 2 plus 3i and plus 46, and then last answer is here minus 46 plus 5. It is minus 46 and last plus 46 get cancelled. Okay, now 5 plus 2 it is 7. 5 plus 2 it is 7. Then 9i and minus 12i. 9i minus 12i it is minus 3i. Minus 3i and it is plus 3i get cancelled. That is the 7. The value of this term is 7. Okay, check this the calculation. Now next example. Again same, find the value of 2x cube minus 11x square plus 44x plus 27 if x is equal to 25 upon 3 minus 4i. X is equal to 25 upon 3 minus 4i. Now here given x is equal to 25 upon 3 minus 4i. Here the value of x is not a complex number, it is a division of two complex number, and the division of two complex number becomes complex number. Therefore first we find the division of these two complex number. Therefore it is 25 upon 3 minus 4i, multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of this number, that is 3 plus 4i upon 3 plus 4i, and therefore 25 into 3 plus 4i upon here 9 minus 16i square, a minus b, a plus b, and then it is 25 upon 3 plus 4i upon 9 plus 16. It is I square minus 1, it is plus, that means it is 25, and therefore x is equal to 3 plus 4i. And as it is as a last example, find x cube, then find x square, and it is x, and put all values in this term, and then we get the value of this. In the last example, x directly can be written as in the complex number, but it is not complex number, so we divide these two numbers, okay, and then we get complex number. X is equal to 3 plus 4i, and then find x cube, then find x square, and put all values in this, and then we get the value of this term. Okay.